Hi, my name is Gabby, and I'm the newest mermaid here at Weeki Wachee Springs State Park. I grew up here in Spring Hill, Florida, and over the past couple of years I've worked down at the bay being a lifeguard, and I did concessions, and then I got the opportunity to become a Weeki Wachee mermaid, so I tried out, and here I am now. So after all of my training, I think it took about 6-7 months before I swam my first show, and it was very nerve-wracking at first, I would say. Obviously I feel very comfortable in the water, but it is kind of scary to think that you're going to be in front of a whole crowd. But after I got in the water, everything felt natural. It just felt like a regular day-to-day training, and my mom had came here to watch me as well. So currently I am in school to be a nurse at Rasmussen University, and other than that I typically like to draw and paint, and I really love to spend time with my dog Juby. He's a German Shepherd, and I love going to the beach and just doing outdoorsy types of activities. So on your next visit to Weeki Wachee Springs State Park, I hope you come by and see me swim. It'd be great to meet you.